They're really pretty. And let's see the materials we're gonna be needing. Okay, the materials we're gonna be needing is a brush, masking tape, a palette, some glitter, and multicolored glitter, pink glitter, glue, and my old shoes that are super dirty. So we're going to be making them into new ones. So first we're going to put some masking tape. So before I put the masking tape on, I'm going to show you my multicolored glitter. And I'm going to put the masking tape in over here and over here. Fully over here. For about the shoes. Now I have my masking tape on. Now I'm going to remove the shoelace. Done! So now we can design our shoes. Now we're going to insert some newspaper inside. So now we're going to put them inside the shoes. Now I have my glue. I'm going to apply it all over the shoe. Of gap, I have filled in the shoe, except this area because I want pink. So now is the fun bit, sprinkling the glitter. So I put a paper so that if I get any glitter, I can put it back in. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to let it to dry. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. The multi-glitter is done. Now we're going to put the pink glitter. So now I'm going to remove the masking tape. This is the final result after I put the glitter on. So now we're going to remove the masking. So now these are the final results. So now I'm going to let them dry for 1 or 2 hours. The shoes are dry. So now we're going to seal it with some Mod Podge, glue, or varnish. So, if you don't have anything, I have glue, but this is more easier. You can use hairspray and you just have to spray it. So, yeah. Some more for this one. Let it dry. So before it dries, see how it looks. So glittery. as if you bought it from the shop.
Okay.
It's old, it's new, but let's let it dry first. Okay guys, these shoes are dried and they're not coming off. So now we're gonna do the shoelaces. I found them from the garbage. So it's so pretty. I really like it. It looks like store-bought. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe.